This is my old microphone setup, and this is really old. In fact, it's so old, the first opera song was probably recorded on this microphone. And I mean, I have used and abused this microphone, so much so I dropped it multiple times. I had to stitch it back together with black duct tape, and it literally looks like an absolute mess. To be honest, I don't even know how this microphone is still working to this very day. So, since my job revolves around creating content and pretty much half of the quality of a specific piece of content is really its audio, the very first step in assembling this setup is to actually dismantle the old one. I had to remove the cables and the old microphone arm that was actually a little too big. In fact, I had to pull the desk out and remove the old cable that had cable managed previously. And to prove to you just how old the setup is, it's actually just running on a simple USB 3.0, which is kind of crazy. So to upgrade my new setup, here is the whole lineup that I have today. It is the Fifine microphone K688 dynamic microphone. So this is a really good, clean, standard microphone, which you are actually listening to from right now. I am recording this whole video on the microphone, but this is the unboxing setup. I will say right off the bat, it is a great looking microphone. It looks nice and it doesn't feel so nice as it looks. It actually feels a little bit like plasticky and cheap, but that is not at the end of the world. This is the accompanied audio interface that comes with the microphone, so you can get this as an accessory. I've been wanting to incorporate an audio interface and use the maximum capabilities of microphone, so this is the perfect opportunity for me to do so. Now, yes, some of these are powered by USB-C. All the cables are provided within the respective boxes of the actual items. Now, to keep this setup functional, I have paired it with their BM88 microphone boom arm. It's a low profile one, so these are pretty popular nowadays, and it comes with everything. It actually has a ball joint attachment that can be fully adjusted and accustomed to the microphone itself. And they also provided the proper XLR cable, which I will be using. This is something that I've been wanting to use for a long time. I've been using USB microphones for the better part of the last few years, and so I've been really needing to upgrade specifically to a proper setup with a proper XLR. All you will have to do is mount the initial bracket for the arm, and it's going to be stationary wherever you decide to put it. I have decided to mount it to the left side of my desk. This is the best place for my microphone since I actually have room on that side. It'll sit perfectly. The arm is nice and adjustable. It actually can swivel in multiple directions. It feels smooth, it doesn't feel clunky, and it actually has some pretty good weight to it, so it feels kind of sturdy and stable. Now, setting up the ball joint to the BM8 boom arm is pretty straightforward. As you'll see, it's just kind of like plug and play. You unscrew it and then attach it to it, and it's going to be straightforward. Now, in my specific case here, I have this whole collection of Fifine products, so they're all working together. We have the microphone, the boom arm, and the audio interface, so they're all connected to each other. So let's say you already have a microphone, but you are in the market to pick up an audio interface, you are in the market to pick up a nice boom arm, then these can be some really good accessories to add alongside your already functioning setup. Now, I will say that despite the materials not feeling so premium, they actually do have a nice compact size to them. They're not too big. The audio interface is very nice and discreet. It doesn't take any space on my desk, and it actually fits really nicely here on the left side. The XLR cable itself is quite long, so it's going to be good for most setups. It's actually, if you have a large desk, it will support your arm. You can actually put it further away from you. And when it's all put together, this is what the setup looks like. It's minimal, it's clean, it's out of the way, and low profile just as it's marketed. It's a minimalist profile that doesn't take too much space, doesn't provide overwhelming colors, and it keeps a nice structure to your desk. And I must admit, this is a great setup for pretty much anyone. Now, before I give you guys my final thoughts and honest opinion on this whole setup, let's actually take a look on how I plan my weeks and stay organized with my very busy schedule. So if you pay close attention here, this is the start of my week. I don't have that many things scheduled into this, but it's gonna get extremely busy and hectic. Now, with the power of Akiflow, which actually keeps everything on track for you, you can successfully time block specific things throughout your day. So let's say in the morning you need to attend business meetings, or maybe let's say you want to dedicate some time to go to the gym. It's really easy. All you have to do is time block it. In Akiflow, as you'll see here, I have my calendar and I have scheduled out 2 gym sessions, which I actually attended to this morning. And then when I came back home, I had the meal prep. So maybe let's say you're someone that also has a busy schedule, or let's say you have ADHD, or you just can't focus. Maybe your attention is in a million places all at the same time. This is actually going to give you a structure, keep you on track, and time block things, especially when you need it, so you can make sure that all the work that needs to be done in a single day actually gets done. Now I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to time block. Let's say from here for 4 p.m. maybe till, I would say maybe in the evening, which is about right now till 8 p.m. we're going to put edit and record, because this is what I'm doing at the moment. I'm working on a video. We're going to keep that into our time frame tomorrow morning. As you see, I have a meeting, so that I know that I need to go to sleep earlier tonight. Another really cool feature about Akiflow is that, as you'll see here on the left hand side, there is a category, and this is the add new task. So for me today, I wanted to finish the MacBook day in the life, which I'm currently doing, and it is the task that I'm about to do. So whenever I'm done with this, which is going to be at the end of the day, I can just click here on the check and it says good job, nothing left to do today. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this, but you can connect Akiflow to pretty much any other supporting app that you might already use. So in my case, I connected it to my Notion, which I keep track of all of my sponsors and things that I have to work, videos and stuff like that. It's just kind of like my personal hub. And I've also connected it to my Google Suite, which means that I have direct access to Gmail and my Google Calendar, all connected. It's all going to update at the same time, which is honestly really, really good. If you think that that's everything that Akiflow has to offer, wait till you see this next feature. It actually has an AI agent that can help you with all of your tasks. If you open the chat with the Akiflow, it'll give you so many options. You can maybe create and manage tasks, and it will schedule and adjust advance for you. Typically on Wednesday night is when I keep time for leisure, so maybe I'll hang out with my girlfriend or see some friends. So what I'm gonna do here is create a 5-hour block on every Wednesday night for leisure. I'm gonna put it in. So if you take a closer look here, you'll see that it now added a leisure time frame on every single Wednesday. So if we maybe move on to like the next week, it's already there and scheduled out. So every Wednesday, I know that that's my personal time for hanging out and things like that. And from here on out, as I add more things to my schedule, this will get absolutely flooded with information and things. And this is one of the reasons why in the last few weeks, I've actually been able to stay on track with absolutely everything, even leaving me with free time at the end of the day, which is something that used to be kind of impossible back in the day. Now, with that being said, if you need a tool to keep you on track and make sure that you can time block properly, Akiflow is the one tool for you. If you're interested, I'll leave a link down below. Go ahead, download it. You could try it for free. This right here is my new Fifine microphone setup. This is the microphone that you're listening to right now. It's also the microphone that I used to record all of this video. Whilst it offers a very professional look and professional sound, it's actually very easy to set up, making it for the perfect go-to plug and play kind of setup for pretty much anyone in the market to upgrade their audio quality. So this right here is a dynamic microphone. What's great about it is that it already comes with a built-in shock mount. So if ever you're going to move the microphone like this, it shouldn't pick up much of the movement and it shouldn't actually record much of the shock. So if ever you were to move it like this and I'm still recording, it still sounds pretty good. It also has a built-in pop filter that's pretty cool. It's easy to slide on and off. It's attached by a ball joint head that actually supports other microphones. So maybe you're looking to buy the accessories and you already have a microphone, but I would suggest buying everything together. The low profile boom arm actually has a hidden cable tray where you can slide in the USB-C cable if you decide to use that one, or in my case, I've decided to plug the XLR cable. Now the arm itself extends quite nicely and is very mobile. You can have it ready for record like I need it right now, or just have it out of the way. And it's all powered through the Ampli One XLR interface, which is super straightforward and easy to use. It has 3 main adjustable volume knobs. You can also connect it to a pair of studio monitors for better audio output. All in all, this is a great setup that's actually on the affordable side. So if you want to pick up all these items, I'll have them linked in the description down below. This is a professional sounding setup. And thank you once again to Fifine for sending this stuff my way. And I want to give another thank you to Akiflow for sponsoring the video. If you've enjoyed, a like and a subscribe is always appreciated. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Deuces.